Today I will be going over the top 3 investing apps for beginners. Each platform has different pros and cons, but I've put together the 3 apps that I think outweigh all the others. Robinhood has little to no cons. It is both easy to navigate and charges no commission fees on your trades, but these characteristics also don't sacrifice its high-level market data. Earn a 1% deposit boost on any funds that you deposit into your account, and get a 5.25 annual return on your uninvested cash. You will also receive a free stock valued between $5 and $200 when you sign up with the link in the description. So, taking into account its simplicity, trading features, and sign-up bonus, I give Robinhood a 9.5 out of 10 overall. Another great investing app is Webull. Although its interface isn't as user-friendly, it does provide you with higher-level market data at no extra cost. Like Robinhood, you can trade fractional shares and crypto on Webull, and they also have no commission fee on your trades. This is great because you can buy any amount of stock regardless of its share price, and you get to keep every penny of your profits. And finally, Webull gives you 12 free stocks when you create an account and deposit any amount of money. This means that you can deposit just $1 and earn $34 to upwards of $3,000 worth of free stock. Based on Webull's simplicity, trading features, and sign-up bonus, I give it a 9 out of 10. The last app is Acorns. I specifically recommend this for beginners just getting into investing because of how easy and hands-off it is. First, it will automatically round each purchase you make up to the nearest dollar and take the cents from that transaction and deposit it into your investing portfolio. Then you can turn on recurring investing so that all of those accumulated cents will add up and automatically get invested into an ETF. Because many first-time investors lose money when they first start investing, this is the perfect way to discipline yourself and ensure that your money will grow. However, it doesn't offer as much technical market data as some of the other investing apps, so considering Acorns' simplicity, trading features, and sign-up bonus, I give it a 7 out of 10. Robinhood is my personal recommendation because it is designed to be easy to use for beginners while still maintaining the benefits of the more complicated apps. These are the overall rankings for the top 3 investing apps. If this video helped you and you want to see more content like this, like and subscribe.